Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to view financial insights in Trim. Do you want a smarter way to understand your finances? Well, Trim offers personalized financial insights to help you make better money decisions. Let me show you how it's done. First, open the Trim app and head to Insights or Financial Overview section. This is usually found on your dashboard or under the Reports tab. Here, Trim analyzes your spendings, income, subscriptions, and saving habits to give you useful takeaways. You might see highlights like you spent 20% on dining out this month, your subscription cost dropped by $40, or you saved $250 towards your goal this quarter, things like that. These insights are presented cleanly and clearly, often with simple charts or quick summaries so you can take actions more quickly. Trim also recommends ways to improve your budgets to avoid late fees or to reduce spending in specific categories. The best part is, it's updated automatically based on your account activity, so you're always seeing fresh, relevant data. That's how Trim turns raw numbers into real financial clarity. Coming up next, I'm going to show you guys how to get savings tips from Trim, so be sure to hit like and subscribe and keep leveling up your money game. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.